Imagine a single grain, tiny, fragile, almost weightless. Now imagine that grain multiplying into thousands, feeding entire families, communities, and nations. This is the remarkable journey of rice, one of the world's most important foods. But have you ever wondered how that simple grain finds its way from flooded fields to your dinner plate? Whether you dream of becoming a rice farmer, want to boost your existing harvest, or are simply curious about where your food comes from, you've come to the right place. Get ready to discover everything you need to know in this complete rice farming guide. Rice is not just a crop, it's a way of life for millions across continents. From the lush paddies of Southeast Asia to the expansive fields in Africa and the Americas, rice shapes cultures, economies, and cuisines. But successful rice farming doesn't start and end with dropping seeds in muddy soil. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of planning, choosing the right seeds, preparing land, managing water, nurturing plants, and finally, harvesting at just the right moment. Let's begin at the very start of the rice journey, choosing the best variety. Rice varieties aren't created equal. Factors like climate, soil type, water availability, and resistance to pests dictate which seed will thrive on your land. Short grain, long grain, aromatic, drought-tolerant, flood-friendly, there's a dizzying array. Consult your local agriculture extension office or seed supplier to determine which varieties suit your region best. Remember, the right seed is your first step to a bountiful harvest. Next comes land preparation, the foundation upon which a successful farm is built. Typically, rice grows best in flat, low-lying fields that can be flooded or irrigated easily. Farmers often plow the land to loosen the soil, which helps young roots access nutrients and reduces weed problems. Leveling the field is crucial to ensure even water distribution, which is vital for uniform growth. At this stage, applying organic matter or compost can enrich the soil, giving your rice plants a head start. Water management is perhaps the most distinctive aspect of rice farming. Unlike most cereal crops, rice prefers its feet wet, thriving in flooded conditions that suppress weeds and pests. If you're lucky enough to have access to consistent water, you might use traditional flooded paddies. In regions with less water, alternate wetting and drying methods, or upland rice cultivation, can yield impressive results, using less water while still growing strong plants. Whichever method you choose, careful water control protects your crop and conserves a precious resource. Now let's talk about sowing. Rice can be sown directly into the field or transplanted as young seedlings. Direct sowing saves time and labor, while transplanting gives you greater control over plant spacing and can result in stronger, healthier plants. To transplant, seeds are first started in a nursery bed. About 20 to 30 days later, the young plants are carefully moved into the main field. Whether you sow or transplant, make sure to maintain proper plant spacing. This reduces competition and helps control the spread of diseases. Nutrient management is vital at every stage of the rice life cycle. Rice plants are greedy, drawing large amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium from the soil. Using the right fertilizers at the right time can increase yields dramatically. Organic options like compost and green manure boost soil health, while chemical fertilizers provide fast-acting nutrients. Companion planting and crop rotation can further enrich the soil and disrupt pest cycles. Remember, soil testing is your friend. Find out exactly what your field needs and tailor your fertilizer use for maximum benefit. Pest and disease control is a challenge no rice farmer can afford to ignore. Insects, fungi, and weeds are always waiting for an opportunity to strike, but vigilant management tips the balance in your favor. Integrated pest management, using resistant varieties, biological controls, timely planting, and minimal chemical pesticides keeps your field healthy and vibrant. Encourage beneficial insects, use pests' natural predators, and don't forget physical barriers or traps as part of your toolkit. A little planning prevents major losses and reduces your reliance on costly chemicals. As your rice crop grows, attention shifts to the all-important phase of harvesting. Harvest too early and the grains are immature, resulting in low yields and poor quality. Harvest too late and you risk grain shattering, pests, or spoilage. Most varieties are ready for harvest 3 to 6 months after planting, when the panicles are golden yellow and grains are hard. Traditional methods use sickles to cut the stalks, while modern farms might rely on combine harvesters for speed. Whichever method you use, handle the panicles carefully to minimize losses. Post-harvest handling is just as important as what happens in the field. Threshing, the removal of grains from the stalks, is followed by drying, which prevents mold and spoilage. Spread the rice thin on clean mats or use mechanical dryers, aiming for a safe storage moisture level of about 14%. Clean, dry grains store longer and fetch higher prices at market. Proper storage facilities protect your harvest from pests, rats, and moisture, ensuring that your hard work pays off. Rice farming is about vigilance and resilience, but it's also about community. In many parts of the world, rice cultivation is a communal effort with rituals, festivals, and traditions woven around the crop cycle. Working with others, sharing knowledge, resources, and labor can make the journey smoother and more rewarding. But let's not forget the business side. Successful rice farming is sustainable and profitable. Keep good records, monitor input costs and yields, and explore markets for selling your rice, whether locally or as part of an export operation. Value-added activities like milling, packaging, or producing specialty rice varieties can boost your income and create jobs in your community. As we reach the end of this guide, remember, every handful of rice carries a story of hard work, sleepless nights, and the hopes of families. By following best practices in seed selection, land preparation, water management, planting, care, harvesting, and handling, you set yourself up for a plentiful and profitable harvest. So the next time you scoop a serving of steaming, fragrant rice onto your plate, you'll know just how much dedication and expertise it takes to bring that grain from field to fork. Rice farming demands patience and passion, but the rewards, measured in full bellies and thriving communities, are well worth it. Whether you're an aspiring farmer, a seasoned grower looking for better yields, or simply a curious food lover, you're now equipped with everything you need to understand the incredible world of rice. Dig deeper, ask questions, and wherever you are, may your fields be green and your harvests golden.